Mabuhay Pilipinas and hello mga kapatid! Muli na namang nagbabalik ang inyong pregame, halftime at postgame show. This is your X's and O's Arena Plus Live. Kasama ka sa panalo at kakatapos lamang po ng ating unang semifinals game kung saan nagtagumpay ang TNT laban sa Rain or Shine 88-84. Kaya naman tayo ay tutungo sa ating pangalawang semifinals contest kung saan maghaharap ang Barangay Ginebra at ang #1 ranked Northport Batang Pierre. I'm Anton Ross, and before we begin, we'd like to remind everybody to follow and log on to www.arenaplus.com.ph to join our more than 600,000 fans who are very active in supporting ang kani-kanilang mga kupunan at paboritong manlalaro. And of course, like our social media accounts at Arena Plus PH on X, TikTok, and Instagram. And of course, do check out Arena Plus on Facebook. Once again, my name is Anton Ross, joined, of course, by three-time PBA champion coach and three-time PBA Coach of the Year, Coach RG Ryan Gregorio. And, of course, to my far left, former UAAP champion, a five-time UAAP champion, and PBA champion as well, Coach Nico Salva. Gentlemen, ngayon naman tayo ay tutungo sa ating pangalawang semifinals matchup, Barangay Ginebra against #1 Northport.
Ibang klase talaga, surprise team. As far as I am concerned, ditong koponan ng Northport, hindi talaga in-expect na aabot sila dito sa semifinals. They've been the #1 team from the start of this conference up to the last game in the quarterfinals. But they will go up against a much experienced team in Barangay Ginebra. So tignan natin kung anong klaseng laro. Medyo matagal na silang hindi nakalaro. Of course, Barangay Ginebra, even if they did not play a lot of games in the past 2 weeks, alam natin yung core ng itong kupunan na ito naglaro para sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. So is it going to be rest or it's gonna be rust? Let's see how this game will pan out after 48 minutes of basketball action.
Well, I will throw that question that you threw out to the audience to Mr. Nico Salva. Will it be rest or rust for Barangay Ginebra, Coach?
I think it's just rest. Ginebra is a very experienced squad. Yes, this group of guys with Coach Tim Cone, L.A. Tenorio, Scotty Thompson, Japet Aguilar has won 7 championships in this Ginebra team. And when it comes to the playoffs, they just step on that gas pedal.
And you know, Justin Brownlee is going to continue doing what he does best. Stellar performance for Gilas Pilipinas. And he hopes to continue that dito sa semifinals dahil maganda rin ang kanyang import matchup, Kadeem Jack. Wow! Ang ganda ng chemistry niya sa kanyang mga kakampi sa Northport.
Yes, yung Kadeem Jack, ibang klase talaga. Yung kanyang naging factor para rito sa koponan na ito. You know that he is someone who is so unselfish, will demand the ball only when necessary. Otherwise, he will let his teammates score, specifically Arvin Tolentino and also pati si Joshua Monzon. But Justin Brownlee, we all know what he's capable of doing. He's a many-time champion here in the PBA. A lot of times also siya ang ating best import. Yung head-to-head, you can just see Kadeem Jack lording it over in terms of points and also field goal shooting so much better from the field at 57%. Better rebounding, more assists of course for JB, more steals for Kadeem Jack and also more blocks. So what you're seeing is not just a unidimensional player itong si Kadeem Jack. Yes, he can score. His perimeter jumper is also almost automatic. But the best facet is his ability to play defense. Kaya nga naman he was able to tow his team here to the semifinals. And let us see kung hanggang saan niya kayang, kumbaga, hilahin itong kanyang kupunan.
Coach Nico, how do you think Justin Brownlee will respond to the way Kadeem Jack has been performing para sa kanyang kupunan dito sa semifinals?
Well, Kadeem Jack may average more points, shoot better from the field than Justin Brownlee, but we all know Brownlee has 6 more championships, 3 more best imports than him in this league, and we all know Justin Brownlee, come the playoff time, he turns into Magic Brownlee. He's the go-to guy for this Ginebra squad, and he delivers every time.
I am so excited for this matchup. Northport trying to make it to the PBA Finals for the first time since joining the league back in 2012 under the Global Port banner. So let's get this show on the road. It is game #1 sa pagitan ng Barangay Ginebra at ng #1 ranked Northport. This has been your X's and O's Arena Plus Live. Sama-sama sa Arena.
Time check, halftime now, which means X's and O's we are back. Oh, ganon.
Nagbabalik.
Of course, since nagbabalik nga kami dito, syempre ang ating halftime score as well. Oh, we
Let
have
us update them as seen dito sa Magic Board.
56,
Magic
51.
Board, hello?
Magic Board!
Hello?
Asa ka na?
Are you there?
Kailangan natin ang Magic Board!
Okay, the score is 56-51 in favor of Ginebra. At ipinapaalala lang namin, mga Reba Babes, na 600,000 na po tayo sa Arena Plus community. Thank you so much for your love.
Thank you so much for your love, your support. Huy, kanina hindi tayo nakapag-bet.
Oo nga, eh. So,
Ay,
mag-bet
parang
tayo
masusto
today.
ko yun. Pero
Okay.
bago yun, syempre, we're still encouraging everyone na please do follow us on our
Yes.
social media pages. Pero ngayon, ito na nga,
Feeling ko sa
halftime.
ikaw na parang maswerte ka today sa ating dalawa.
Titignan natin.
So, you place
Okay,
the
let's
bet.
go. Okay. And then
Okay.
this time,
Kanino tayo?
handicap, pero feeling ko home.
Home.
Kinakabahan pa rin ako.
How much is the budget?
200.
Do the math. 200.
0, 0.
0.
Bet.
Karaoke.
Bet. Bet.
Bet.
Ay, iba pala yun.
Period. Betting successful.
Alright. Okay, so
Okay.
pag mananalo tayo, 384 ang makukuha
Exciting.
natin. Sobrang palaban na tayo.
That's right.
Kagaya nga ng ating mga Never Say Die fans as well. And we're still encouraging everyone na please do bet. Dahil halftime pa lang naman ang mga
Oo,
kaganapan.
mahaba pa yan. Mahaba pa
Oo.
to the side.
Mahaba pa ang kaganapan at ay parang
Speaking
kanina.
of,
Oo,
may
diba?
kachikahan tayo dito
May kachika
kanina eh.
tayo.
Na talagang
Ano ba
avid
kachika?
better
Sino ba
than
to?
sa Arena Plus.
Alright, and with that, let's go. Alright mga kanina, ngayon naman, meron nga tayong bagong segment and we call it Ka-Astig Takeover! Pero may paiba nga tayo dyan. Kasi dito, hindi naman kami lang ang bida ni Tin, kundi kayong mga loyal members ng ating Arena Plus community. Tatanungin nga natin, o makakachika nga natin ang ating mga kaastig. And of course, tukol nga yan sa ating mainit na labanan sa semis. At grabe talaga, meron tayong mga happenings ngayon together with Northport, Batang Pier, and of course, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel.
That is right, Sam. Hype na nga ang ating mga kaastig sa matchup na ito. Katulad na lang ng kasama natin ngayon. Guys, galing pa siya sa Bulacan. Dumayo dito for the first time para panoorin ang kanyang paborito. Nandito si Kaastig Renny. Kamusta ka naman? Kamusta ang biyahe mo papunta dito? Okay.
Naku, grabe ha. Parang feeling ko yung nararamdaman ngayon ni Kuya Renny, parang medyo kinakabahan siya sa magiging resulta
Oo,
ng
kasi
ating
syempre,
pag-game.
magbebet.
Oo, di lang yun. Saka semis ha. Tapos first game din ng ating semis. Pero matanong ko lang, Kuya Renny, gaano ka na ba katagal naglalaro sa Arena Plus?
1 year na po.
I'm sorry, 1 year.
Yes, isang
1
taon na
year.
pala siyang
Matagal-tagal
natumataya
na rin.
sa Arena Plus. Ito naman, dahil 1 year na yung pagtaya mo sa Arena Plus, kung tataya ka ngayon, parang alam ko na yung sagot kasi nakakwento kita kanina. Pero para sa ating mga viewers, kanino at magkano ang itataya mo? And yung itataya mo sa money line ba yan? Over and under ba? Or handicap?
Moneyline po.
Okay. Kanino ka tataya muna pala?
Sa Ginebra po.
Ginebra, syempre.
Never say
Money line,
die.
oo.
Oh,
Alam mo
never
kasi,
say die.
oo, Casting Granny, ako parang first time ko na tataya dyan sa Arena Plus. So kung i-explain mo sa akin, ano nga ba yung money line? Ano nga ba yun?
Sa Moneyline po, yung mga team na malalakas po, yung pupusta.
So easy as that. So kung ano yung
Okay.
feeling mo na mananalo dito sa
money line
game na to,
ka.
itataya mo lang siya. Ganun lang kadali ang money line.
Okay.
Yamado. Sa may Yamadong team po.
Yamadong team,
Yeah.
tamang-tama. Pero ito naman yung aking next question. Nagpa-parlay ka rin ba? At paano ba yung tinatawag nating Paano pa pag pumaldo ka dyan?
Oo.
Sa parlay po, titignan nyo po yung team na kung alin po yung walang out po yung mga mga star po, ganun. Saka doon ko po pupusta doon sa
Alam mo, Kuya
Sa
Renny,
kabila.
oo, ang dami
Okay.
kong natututunan and mamaya pagkatapos nitong pag-uusap natin, tataya na rin ako, gagayahin kita. Pero paano mo nga ba nasisigurado na sumusunod ka, at syempre yung mga family mo and yung friends mong mga kaastig na sumusunod kayo sa responsible gaming?
Sumusunod po ako. Yung mga extra allowance ko lang po yung nilalaro ko sa games. Hindi po ako masyado bit na mga mataas.
So safe lang talaga.
Safe lang. Safe lang.
Oh. So syempre pag fan na fan ka,
Yes.
na si
Oo.
Di ba? Fan na fan ng Hinebra and feeling niya kasi mananalo
Yes.
talaga sila.
And may mga
Sige.
friends ka ba and family na kasama mo talagang mag-bet and manood ng PBA?
Kapatid ko po at friends ko.
So, bonding nyo talaga tong panonood ng PBA, yung pag-bet? Siyempre.
Or wait lang, bago nga natin itong i-end yung chikahan natin, no, with Kuya Renny. Anyone that you would like to greet o kaya namang i-shout out?
Shoutout po dun sa kapatid ko na nanonood po ng PBA at mga kaibigan ko dyan.
Alright, there you have it. Of course, ang ating kaastig na si Sir Renny. Kaya naman, good luck. Naku, nakakaloka ang ating mga happenings. Grabe
Once
naman
again,
talaga.
Thank you so much, Kaastig na Renny, and good luck. Sana manalo ka sa inyong betting, ha? And have fun, of course. Don't forget to enjoy the game. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Good luck. Yes, ako si Kuya Renny. For sure naman, kahit naman siya na siya. Kanina nga, nakita ko doon sa loob. Grabe, for the sigaw
Super
siya.
enjoy,
Barangay
for the
Ginebra,
enjoy,
ganon,
diba?
never
Fun
say
na
die.
fun.
Well, of course, sa amin nga namang pagbabalik, simulcast na rin tayo sa PBA Rush and RPTV for the breakdown in the first half together with Anton Rojas, Coach Ryan Gregorio, and Nico Salva. Buy your score now.
Sa Arena Plus.
At nagpapatuloy ang ating live coverage ng PBA Commissioner's Cup semifinals sa pagitan ng Barangay Ginebra at ng Northport Batang Pair. Anton Ross alongside Coach Ryan Gregorio. Lamang po ang Barangay 56-51 kontra sa Northport. And before we get to our X's and O's segment, we'd like to remind everybody to follow our social media accounts at Arena Plus PH on X, TikTok, and Instagram. At syempre, sa Facebook na rin, or at Arena Plus. And of course, do log on to www.arenaplus.com.ph to join our more than 600,000 fans para supportan ang inyong mga paboritong kuponan at syempre, manlalaro. Coach RG, we know that Coach Tim Cohn is a long-time proponent of the triangle offense and that is what you will break down dito sa ating halftime segment ngayon.
Very impressive first two quarters for Barangay Ginebra. Out of 21 made field goals, 17 were assisted. So they really love the way they play their half-court set. They love to run their triangle offense, and that has given them so much success here in the first 24 minutes of basketball action.
Justin Brownlee nakapagtala ng 14 na puntos para sa Barangay. They were leading by as many as 11. Northport went on a run, but Barangay Ginebra went on a run of their own. Now let's go to that play na binanggit namin ni Coach Ryan Gregorio.
It is a misdirection. It happened on one side wherein as if they were gonna go on this ball screen action involving Scotty Thompson and Japet Aguilar. But essentially what they want is on that ball reversal, they want to isolate JB. Look at that action, pass to the post. Two guys will give JB the necessary space to operate on a single coverage against Joshua Monzon. Defense was late, one-on-one JB against Monzon, automatic 2 points for the veteran import.
Scotty Thompson also had a fadeaway from the same spot moments after that basket made by Justin Brownlee. So it just goes to show that the emphasis is really on that spot in terms of where the triangle will go.
Yes, and we take a look at our board here. This is where the action will start. It starts on the left side as if they're looking for a ball screen action again involving Scotty Thompson and Japet Aguilar. But what they're doing is they're going to reverse the ball here to Stephen Holt. Troy Rosario will be in the deep corner. This is the cue for JB to occupy the ball side post while Japet Aguilar will sink in right here. As soon as the ball is passed to JB, look at this action right here. Holt will bring his man with him. And he is effectively screening off to the guy of Japet Aguilar. But Japet knows this so well. He's not gonna cut towards JB. He will give space. It's just a mini flare because he can shoot this elbow jumper. Troy Rosario will also free this up. Because of these actions right here, JB will have his own space to score against a single coverage against Joshua Monzon. That is an effective play for them. You've talked about the 14 points of JB. He's shooting at a 60% clip. That is 6 out of 10 from the field. And not only that, he is plus 11 in player efficiency. So talk about Magic JB, you're seeing it once again in Game 1 of this series.
And you saw how Holt and Rosario simultaneously cut as soon as the ball was passed to Justin Brownlee. And when Kadeem Jack is not defending JB, you know, Justin Brownlee will go right to work.
They've mastered this move. They mastered exactly how they can free up Justin Brownlee. It starts on the weak side. He goes all the way to the ball side post, gets that ball, isolates himself, and he loves that fall-away jumper. 14 big points once again for Justin Brownlee.
And there you have it, our breakdown of that triangle offense finished off by Justin Brownlee. One of the many plays that they executed in the first half. We will be back para sa ating coverage sa RPTV at sa PBA Rush. This is your X's and O's Arena Plus Live. Sama-sama sa Arena.
We are back, mga kaastig. For X's and O's, kayo
welcome
naman.
back
Arena
to
Plus Live at
us.
coverage. Now stream, of course, on the Arena Plus app. Sama-sama sa Arena. And our final score, we have... Anong final score natin?
We have 115 for Barangay San Miguel and of course, 93 naman for Northport.
Yes! Barangay Ginebra kasi
San
girly.
Miguel. Kasi naman, nandito sa gilid kayo talaga. Please forgive me, it's my first day. Charot.
Ay, walang ganon.
Ulit,
Hoy!
Barangay Ginebra,
Okay.
San Miguel, 115 points and 93 Northport, Batang Pierre.
Alam nyo,
Okay.
sabi siguro ng ng Barangay
Let's go.
Ginebra.
Let's go, Barangay Ginebra.
Barangay Ginebra.
Barangay
Siguro,
Ginebra.
quarter 1 pa lang. Sabi nila,
Oo.
okay na to, okay na to.
Oo,
Go
okay na
ganun
to.
na eh.
Okay na
Oo,
to.
okay na daw
Okay
to.
na.
At for sure, okay din ang performance ng ating best player.
Congratulations,
At the
Barangay
game
Ginebra.
mo, di ba?
Yes.
We have a Troy Rosario having 16 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 assists as well. Pero, syempre, di ba, we are still encouraging everyone to please do follow us on your social media accounts. We also have, of course, on Instagram. We are still on Instagram, rather. Facebook, TikTok, lahat na, and X.
And
Get on.
ito na, the exciting
Get
part,
on.
babalikan na natin ang mga naging tayaan for Game 1 of Northport versus Barangay Ginebra. And ito na! Tatalo tayo.
Grabe
Nanalo
naman yung
kami,
comeback
guys.
is real para naman
Yes.
kay Miss Sabrina Yunes de
Correct.
San Diego. Ang
We
daming
are
sinabi.
184 richer for tonight.
Yes!
Congratulations!
Amazing! Anyway, more things
Anong
coming
gusto
your
mong
way.
bilhin with your winnings?
Ay nako, hindi pa natatapos kasi ang ating semis.
Yes.
Marami pang happenings.
Okay.
Tignan
Mag-iipon.
natin.
Mag-iipon muna.
Mag-iipon din ng lakas
Yes.
ang Northport, Batang Pierre, from there, up there.
Correct.
Yes.
And just a reminder, na tuloy-tuloy ang ating promos to welcome you sa mas pinadaling user interface and updated website. Napakadaling gamitin yan. Kaya keep on depositing and betting for a free to get free vouchers for
Wow,
your
amazing.
betting pressure. Super daming vouchers kasi when you keep on betting. So go lang ng go. Deposit tayo, guys.
At syempre, just to wrap things up, balik nga muna tayo with the rest of our panel for the final segment of our coverage. We have Anton Rojas, Coach Ryan, Gregorio, and Nico Saba. Bakit ako napapaos? Pero go! See you guys!
Sa Arena Plus.
Nagbabalik ang ating live coverage ng PBA Commissioner's Cup Semifinals kung saan nagtagumpay ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel kontra sa Northport 115 to 93. My name is Anton Rojas, welcoming everyone back to our show, X's and O's Arena Plus Live. At syempre, paalala lang po bago tayo magtapos to follow our social media accounts at Arena Plus PH on X, TikTok, and Instagram, pati na rin sa Facebook at Arena Plus. Still here with Coach RG, Ryan Gregorio, and Coach Nico Salva. Gentlemen, ano ba ang nangyari dito sa ating bakbakan in the third quarter? Ginebra just blew the game wide open, outscoring Northport 32 to 14.
Very evident yung rust factor na binabanggit natin. Itong Barangay Ginebra, no need for them to really exert a lot of effort. It was practically over in the middle part of the third quarter. Can you imagine limiting a team to just 14 points in the third quarter and another 14 points in the fourth quarter? That is just exemplary defense by Barangay Ginebra. So yung no need to rest ng Barangay Ginebra because of fatigue factor, of course, dating back to their journey sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. Nagpakita sila na they are in rhythm, they are in sync, they are on target. On the other hand naman, itong Northport, nawala yung edge nila, Coach Nico. Yung galing nila nung elimination round, pati nung quarterfinals, it seems like nawala. Lalong-lalo na yung listless performance ni Arvin Tolentino.
Arvin Tolentino, who was averaging 23.2 points per contest, but in this game was limited to just 8 points. Coach Nico, also in the assist department, 36 to 15, liamado ang Barangay.
That was the biggest difference para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. They executed very well. They hit all the options of that triangle. Used almost 24 seconds of the shot clock in every possession. Really made the defense of Northport work, and that's what they want to do every possession. They want to walk the ball down, get into their triangle, execute each and every possession. If you're Northport, you want to make them uncomfortable. You want to put ball pressure. You want to rush them a little bit. You want to force them to tough shots and not wide open shots, and that's why they were able to hit 50% from three today.
It's gonna be tough to make them uncomfortable. If you got 5 guys scoring in double digits, that's exactly what Barangay Ginebra was as a team today. Ito ang ating mga scenarios kanina. Nagtagumpay ang TNT kontra sa Rain or Shine sa ating unang semifinals game, 88 to 84. Dito naman nagtagumpay ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel kontra sa Northport Batang Pierre, 115 to 93. At tayo ay tutungo sa PhilSports Arena sa darating na Biyernes, February 28 for game number 2 of both series. What adjustments do you expect to see, Coach RG?
Tama yung nabanggit ni Coach Nico. Make it difficult for Barangay Ginebra to execute their offense. And one of the better ways, of course, is put tremendous pressure 90 feet away from the basket all the way to the front court of Barangay Ginebra. And the other thing is find ways to get Arvin Tolentino open. Ito ginagawa ng Barangay Ginebra. They're just packing the paint. They're just allowing Jack to score 33 big points. And it is imperative every time you go up against Barangay Ginebra, you have to shoot 12 from the outside. Only 7 threes out of 28 attempts for Northport. They did not have a lot of fast break opportunities also. So kailangan bumalik sila sa kanilang hounding defense, pressure the ball, force a lot of turnovers, score on the break, and just, again, make it difficult for Barangay Ginebra to execute their triangle offense.
Coach RG, the gentleman beside you is starting his young coaching career, and I'm sure situations like this, you are up all night. Coach Nico, game planning. How do you think Northport will game plan for the game on Friday?
Like what Coach RG said, you want to show them maybe different defenses. They went to a zone earlier in this game, but Ginebra had an answer for it. You just want to make Ginebra feel uncomfortable. You want them to rush. You don't want them to be able to use most of the shot clock and have another 36 assist game.
And with that, we are going to conclude tonight's coverage. But of course, thank you as well to our Arena Plus hosts, Sabrina Ionescu San Diego. According to her, okay, Sabrina yun. And of course, our new Arena Plus host, let's welcome Christine San Agustin. And of course, for the rest of the gang, Coach Nico Salva and Coach Ryan Gregorio, I'm Anton Ross, nagsasabing maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita tayo muli sa darating na Biyernes sa pagpapatuloy ng PBA Commissioner's Cup. Hatid sa inyo ng X's and O's Arena Plus Live. Sama-sama sa Arena!
Sa Arena Plus